Students, the next season is the rainy season or the southwest monsoon season. Its duration is from June to September. Temperature conditions. Temperature, when you talk about temperature, starts to fall during the rainy season, except in the northwestern part of our country, that is Rajasthan area, and where you find still the temperature is on the higher side. Pressure and wind directions during rainy season. By early June, you will find that there is still a stronger low pressure which is present on the Indian landmass and is responsible to attract the southwest monsoon winds. Wind directions, when you talk about, the wind direction is always southwest, except in the Ganga plain, the Bay of Bengal branch is from east to west. So only here you find that the direction is from east to west, whereas the direction of the winds is southwest throughout this season. Okay, students, when the southwest monsoon first comes to Kerala on 1st of June, it gets divided into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Now first we will go through the Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch goes towards the north. You can see over here a small part of it goes across the Western Ghats, right? So Arabian Sea branch brings heavy rainfall on the windward side of the Western Ghats, that is the Konkan area. It receives heavy rainfall. Whereas the leeward side, when this crosses the Western Ghat, it receives, this part of the country receives very less rainfall. Places like Pune, interior parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, it receives very less rainfall. So this branch slowly starts moving toward the interior part of the country after crossing the Western Ghats and joins the Bay of Bengal branch. Another part of this branch goes towards the Saurashtra Peninsula, Kutch area, and then through Rajasthan it heads towards the northern plains and mingles with the Bay of Bengal branch. Students, there is an often question asked, why it doesn't rain in Rajasthan? It doesn't rain in Rajasthan. There are two reasons. First one is the Aravallis are parallel to the southwest monsoon wind. Second one, the temperature is so high that it doesn't allow the air to get saturated in this place. It increases the capacity of air to hold moisture. So this is why it doesn't rain in Rajasthan. So these are the two reasons. So this is about the Arabian Sea branch. Now let us see about Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, students, the next branch is the Bay of Bengal branch. You can see over here it goes in this direction, right, and it is heading towards the Myanmar. As it goes across Bay of Bengal, this branch gives rainfall to Andaman Nicobar Islands. It picks up the moisture and it is heading towards Myanmar. So as it goes towards the Myanmar, there is a range called as the Arkan Yoma range. It is called as the Arkan Yoma range. It is Arkan Yoma, Y-O-M-A, Arkan Yoma range, which is responsible to deflect these winds towards our country, right? Then when they start heading towards our country, even here they find an obstruction, that is the three hills, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. These hills divide this branch again into two branches. One goes towards the northeast region and one goes towards the Ganga plain. This branch, which goes towards the northeast region, is responsible to bring heavy rainfall in place like Mazandaran. We receive the highest rainfall in the world in Mazandaran. Earlier it was Cherrapunji, but now it is Mazandaran where we receive the highest rainfall. The other branch, which is heading towards the Ganga plain, goes towards the Arabian Sea branch, and they mingle over here. As it goes from east to west, the rainfall starts to decrease because they mingle over here. As it goes from east to west, the rainfall starts to decrease because it goes on shedding the rainfall to the places where it visits first. So this is how it starts moving towards the Ganga plain. So this is about Bay of Bengal branch. So this is the end of the rainy season. I hope students you have understood.